So tasty. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing for you a mango pineapple smoothie. Okay, so before I go into the video, remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, share it to your friends and your family, man. Yeah man, give me that support. And thanks for my supporters throughout the year. I'm happy to have you. Thank you for liking and commenting. I have some real strong supporters, you know, who always comment on my video. I thank you so much. All right, and continue to comment and continue to support my channel. All right, invite your families over. Yes, you can make smoothie at your family reunion. Okay, so remember to leave me a comment also to tell me what smoothie you would prefer me to make. If though maybe I have to go to get the ingredients, no problem. Yeah, thank you so much. All right, so as I said before, I'm going to be making a mango pineapple smoothie, so let's get right into the video. Okay, so as I said before, this mango was bought at Target and it's so nice. I have to make 2 smoothies out of it. All right, so I'm gonna add the mango slices. They are a bit thick, so I'm cutting them to make it easier on the bullet. Now look at the color now, guys. You see it tastes so nice. So nice. Feel like just eat it off and don't bother make smoothie with it. Okay, let's get into the pineapple slices. This is not opening, it's open. Also, again, the slices are about this way. Yeah, come prepared, cut up on all, ready to make your smoothie, so you don't have to stress over peeling your pineapple. Alright guys, because sometimes I don't like peeling pineapple myself. So I'm gonna get my milk. I forgot my milk. Back, my milk is here. My yogurt is non-fat banana. So guys, if you notice, I put no sweetener in this smoothie. They are ready. The fruits are already sweet. Alright, so no need to add additional sweetener. Alright, that's the milk, and I'm gonna cover it. Let's put that aside. And I'm gonna blend. And there you have it, guys, a mango pineapple smoothie. So let's dive right into it. Ooh, this color is beautiful. Oh, I love this color. Look at it, guys. I love this color. Mango makes everything taste good. That's all I'm saying. So delicate, so nice. The color is everything. Yes guys, go ahead and try it. You will love it. It's So yes guys, remember to try this video, you will love it. It's mango pineapple, so I have mangoes, some pineapple slices, yogurt and milk. All right, you don't need to load your smoothie unless you like it that way, but for me I like simple soup smoothie, very simple smoothie. Okay, so go ahead and try this video, you will love it. All right guys, so remember to like, share and comment on my videos. Don't forget guys to leave me a comment, tell me what you think about the taste and the texture of the smoothie when you make it. Just please go ahead and try it, you will love it, you'll enjoy making smoothie. All right, it's another form of having a good healthy meal by making a smoothie. If you don't like to eat the fruits when you have them, just blend them up, freeze them if you don't have time now, and just when you have time, you just blend up smoothie, mixture of different fruits. Sometimes you can add some vegetable, yeah, with your smoothies. All right, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.